Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Porterville local and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move more than 100 miles away, you need a long-distance moving company. Our team can help you with your move, no matter how far you need to go. We make things move faster and make your move easier. Our team will provide the loading, transportation, and unloading services you need. We also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a California moving company for your local move is a big decision. If you want to save time and avoid doing the heavy lifting, the right local movers will help you. Plus, you won't have to do any recruiting of family or friends to help lift those heavy items as you load up a rental truck. With 3 movers helping you out, you get a more efficient local move. You won't have to drive the moving truck, load it up, or do any unloading. We take your weekend move and get it done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Porterville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.